Hey there, welcome to JavaScript Foundation series. I'm really excited you're here. Before we start writing any code, let's take a step back and answer a simple question. What is JavaScript and why do developers talk about it so much? JavaScript is a language that brings life to the web. Think of it like this. HTML is the structure, the skeleton, CSS is the style, the looks and the color. And JavaScript, that's a brain. It makes websites interactive, dynamic, and fun to use. Without JavaScript, the web would be just still pictures and text. With it, we get everything from drop-down menus, animations, and form validation to interactive games, real-time chats, and even 3D graphics. Whenever you like a post on social media, zoom in on a map, or watch a video on YouTube, you're seeing JavaScript in action. And here's a crazy fact. Over 98% of websites use JavaScript. So basically, if it's on the web, JavaScript is probably behind it. But it doesn't stop at the browser. Thanks to tools like Node.js, JavaScript can now run on servers too. You can use it to build full web apps, enabling full-stack development with a single language. Mobile apps, frameworks like React Native allow you to build native mobile applications using JavaScript. Even desktop software. JavaScript can be used to create desktop applications that work across Windows, Mac, and Linux. So, learning JavaScript is not just about websites, it's about unlocking a whole ecosystem of possibilities. Now, why should you learn it? Here is why JavaScript is such a great starting point for beginners. Immediate feedback. You can see results right away in your browser without complex setup. Simple start. Write HTML, CSS, and JavaScript without build tools or compilers. And it's everywhere. From web pages to mobile apps, JavaScript is everywhere in modern development. Massive community, meaning tons of free tutorials, support, and tools. It's in demand. Employers love JavaScript. So, learning JavaScript gives you real power to build things that people can actually use and interact with. So, to sum it up, JavaScript is the engine of the modern web, and learning it will open doors to endless creative and career opportunities. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications to stay updated, and let's keep building your developer journey one step at a time.